Did you know that every day one child is born with cerebral palsy in the Netherlands? And amongst those children with cerebral palsy, 70 to 80% of them have spasticity. Cerebral palsy is a disorder of the brain. Normally, the brain tells the rest of the body exactly what to do and when to do it. But with CP, that is not the case. Because of how CP affects the brain, a person might not be able to walk, talk, eat, or move the way most people do. CP affects a person's muscle tone and ability to coordinate body movements. That is why people with CP have trouble controlling their muscles. How a person is affected all depends on what part of the brain is involved. This makes their activities of daily living quite a struggle. People who don't have CP brush their teeth and comb their hair without thinking about it. We want you to empathize to create a better understanding of what people with CP go through. Take a minute and grab oven mitts and a comb. Wear the mitts and try to comb your hair. Imagine wearing the oven mitts all day long and doing your daily activities with them on. That's pretty difficult, right? With hand therapy, it is possible to improve their fine motor skills. These are actions like picking up objects between the thumb and finger or writing carefully. However, hand therapy is quite repetitive and can become boring or frustrating for the children between the ages of 8 to 12 years old, especially when they have to do this at home in order to keep practicing. That's where we come in. We are the Happy Thinkers and we created the Happy Thinkers Tinkering Cards. It is a carefully curated DIY kit which consists of activity cards and object cards. This fun DIY kit allows children to follow hand therapy at home by creating their own toys with household objects. The activity cards guide the children through some steps to create one of the toys, for example, a musical instrument. You can also watch our making of video by scanning the QR code in the front of the card. The object cards provide space for the children to explore their own creativity. By personalizing their toy with more household objects while doing challenges in light of activities of daily living, the making and playing of the toys both contribute to hand therapy exercises. We aim to stimulate the children's creativity by inspiring them to create toys out of household objects. In addition, we want to engage the children in therapy by leaving enough room for social play with peers and parents. This will contribute to a joyful feeling that gives them the intrinsic motivation to follow the therapy at home, all through our Happy Thinkers Tinkering Cards.